Okay, so the first buckle we're going to look at is the single adjust buckle. You'll notice this is the adjustable end. This is a sewn end. So we're going to go ahead and sew it together. Okay, on the single adjust buckle, you have your sewn end, you have your adjustable end. The way we do the adjustable end is around this center bar. Come up from the bottom, back down from the top. Go ahead and adjust it however you want it, and then you can pull it tight. Now keep in mind that these buckles are designed to work in line with the webbing. The sharper angle you get, the more likely it is to slip. So make sure that once you've adjusted it, that your webbing is coming straight out from that buckle and it will not slip. Okay, now we go to a double adjust buckle. And the really neat thing about this is it's a no-sew buckle. So again, remember, we're working around that center bar. Up, back down again. There's one side. Up, and back down again. Two sides. Now, keeping the webbing in line, you've got a buckle that will not slip and completely adjustable.